That's me.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me because I'm sad. I can't stop freaking crying and I've been crying literally for the last fucking 3 hours. I don't know why, but yeah, I decided that I'm done being ugly and I want to make myself cute, so I'm gonna do my makeup and hair. It's literally 11 p.m. right now. But I also really need a video for tomorrow, so I'm not a slacker. Even though I'm crying, I'm still gonna post a video for you guys. So how was everyone's day today? My day freaking sucked. I also got a haircut. I don't know if you guys noticed because I'm in a black shirt, but basically my hair was extremely dead, and I went to go get a haircut because I haven't had a haircut in like 2 years, and the guy was basically like, so how much do you want cut off? Like, you want all the dead cut off or just a little bit? Because I was like, I still want my hair to be long. And he's like, well, if I cut it all off, your hair is not really going to be long. I mean, like, it's still like, it's whatever. I have 28-inch extensions for a reason. I kind of know why I'm crying, but like, I'm not a bitch, so I'm not going to tell you guys. Yeah, let's get on to the freaking video. My skin's fucking breaking out and I kind of want to stab myself in the face, but it's fine. Wipe the tears away. So, I probably should have washed my face before this video, but I think my cryingness like cleansed my face for me. I also really hate this squeaky chair. Like, my chair literally squeaks so much and it just makes me feel like I'm like so freaking fat and I'm about to break the freaking chair. And like, yeah, I'm getting chunky, but it's fine. It's freaking fine. It's literally, it's coming the winter time, so like it's okay for me to be fat. It's like Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas. Like, bitch, if you're gonna be fat, those are the times to be fat, so I'm already fucking prepared. So joke's on you to everyone who keeps calling me for that. I'm one step ahead of you. You're freaking supposed to be fat during this time of year. Well, actually, it's September right now, so I'm just like, I'm preparing myself. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I think I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Yeah, I should probably do my eyebrows off camera. Yeah, I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and then I'm gonna come back to you guys, okay? Today my eyebrows decided that they didn't want to be sisters. They didn't want to be twins. They wanted to be fucking strangers today, so, it's great. I wish I was kidding when I say that it actually took me 30 minutes to put on my eyebrows today. I feel like nothing in my life is going correctly right now. Like, I literally went to Wendy's today. I'm gonna put on some brow gel if you guys care. But I literally went to Wendy's today and all I wanted was my crispy chicken BLT because like I'm addicted to those right now. Like, they're so freaking amazing. That's all I freaking wanted. And I wanted a fruit punch because I'm addicted to fruit punch. That's literally just, I love fruit punch so much. Like, and not a lot of places sell fruit punch. So when places sell fruit punch, I'm like, bitch, I need you. But yeah, so I literally told them I got my Wendy's order and I get my drink. They thought I said medium fruit punch, and they thought I said medium French fries. How what the fuck? I understand they both like start with the F, but bitch, what? I then had Chick-fil-A today and it was absolutely disgusting, and I love Chick-fil-A and like I just don't understand why I got hurt like that. I feel like September is literally such a boring month. Like, what goes on in September besides like Labor Day weekend? This is literally so, like, I don't even think Facetune could fix this. So I recently got a spray tan. You can't really tell because I'm literally so white, but basically I bought this foundation when I was in LA, the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I loved it. My spray tan literally faded so freaking quickly. I lost my beauty blender, so that's freaking great. My spray tan literally faded so quickly. And so I literally have not used this foundation in a month. I have literally a spray tanning membership. Like, I literally pay monthly to get spray tans. So basically I went and got a spray tan because y'all always complain about how pale I am. I literally can't help it. My skin is just so fragile my whole entire life. I like can barely go out in the sun. I instantly burn. Sunscreen like doesn't work on me at all. And so I'm just really freaking pale and I literally cannot help it at all. So I got a spray tan. I don't know where I was going with this story. My brain has just been frazzled all day. I like don't like where was I going with that? I don't know. So I'm beating this foundation on my face so I stop being ugly. I'm gonna be so mad if I cry. Like, if I literally full on do my makeup and I start crying, I'm literally gonna stab myself in the face. I also started using the back of my beauty blender which I've like never done before. I usually use wow, that was scary. I usually use like the tip of my beauty blender to like, you know, apply all this whatever crap on my face. But I don't know, I sort of feel like it applies less when you do this. Basically last Saturday, I haven't done my makeup in a week. And has it been a week? No, it was Saturday. So like, how many days ago was that? It's freaking, what day is it today? It's freaking Wednesday. You guys are gonna see this video on Thursday. Basically, what am I trying to speak? Because I'm not speaking English. Basically on Saturday, my friend had a birthday party because, you know, it was her freaking 20th birthday. Turn up. And I did my makeup, and I literally was like supposed to be there at like 10. At 10 o'clock, my makeup, I was finished doing it, and I was like, oh my god, it's so cakey. I don't know, I just feel like it's really freaking easy to make my face look cakey for some reason. Like, I don't know why, but it was just like extremely cakey. And so I had no makeup wipes, literally like nothing to take it off. And like, you may be saying like, Maddie, just go inside and like wash it off like a normal person. Well, you see, I didn't want to like mess up my eyes, because like my eyes and my eyebrows actually looked good, and I was like, dude, I don't have time. Like, I actually don't have time to full on do my makeup again, you know? So I took a towel, like legit, like, I'm pretty sure it was this towel. This towel's clean, I just got it out of the dryer. But I'm pretty sure it was this towel, and I dipped it in some like gross beauty blender water. Really like gross beauty blender water, and I like literally wiped my makeup off with a freaking towel and water and redid it. And it didn't look cakey because I literally used this side. I don't know if it's just like this side just works better. That's probably literally such a lie, and I'm just like literally making this all up, but in my head I think that it works. So I like making get ready with me videos, but they're always so freaking long. And like, I don't know, like, do you guys like long videos? I personally have the attention span of like a 2-year-old, and it's like non-existing, and so I can't sit there through like a 45-minute video. Like, I'm so glad that YouTube lets you do that speed up tool, because I can't. I literally cannot sit there through that long. This pimple is, like Facetune, I don't even think could cover this. Also, does anybody out there want to be my sugar daddy? And by sugar daddy, I mean just literally give me gifts. Or do any of my followers, parents, are they a plastic surgeon, and you want to gift me a really nice Christmas present and get me a freaking chin tuck? I feel like one of my most commented comments, does that make sense? I don't freaking know. One of my most commented comments, ew, literally why? Like, why will it not go away? It's like literally so pink. I mean, if I look this way, you can't really tell, but I just really don't think that Facetune can cover that, because it's not even like she's small or whatever. I feel like one of my most commented comments that I get is talking about how fat I am. I feel like I mention this in every video, but you know, I've decided that you are not allowed to call me fat unless you're going to send me money to get a chin tuck or lipo. So if you want to call me fat, you have to send me money to distribute to me becoming skinny. But if you have no money to distribute to my getting a chin tuck fund, you can't call me fat, okay? So basically, I like need y'all to do me a favor, and I need you to tell all your friends to subscribe to me so I become famous, so I can get a makeup artist. Or, you know, I don't even have to become famous. I just need somebody to pay for a makeup artist for every single day, so I look pretty every single day, and people do my hair and makeup every single day, and I don't have to do it. I'll make more videos that way. So someone please find me a sugar daddy so I can get ready every single day. Like, I love doing my makeup sometimes. I like doing my makeup probably like 4 times a year, and all the other days of the year, how many days is that? 361 days of the year, I don't like doing my makeup. I love it, but it's like it's just too much, okay? Like, why am I not naturally pretty? Like, what the So I saw this article on Facebook, and you guys are probably like, ew, Madison, like, who uses Facebook? Me, bitch, okay? No, but like, actually, like, I find the funniest freaking videos on Facebook all the freaking time. Like, I find more things on I like find more funny videos on Facebook than I actually do on like Twitter and Instagram. Like, that's saying a lot. I basically saw this article, and this girl sued her parents for making her ugly. And that's literally what I'm about to do to my parents. Like, there's so many girls that naturally wake up, like, imagine, like, literally imagine being one of those girls that are so naturally pretty that you literally just wake up and you look good. Can't relate. So there's this Instagram model that I'm like newly obsessed with, and her name's like Bella Lucia or whatever. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but she's this like Instagram model, and she's literally so freaking pretty, and I've been watching her YouTube videos recently. I literally look so crazy, but I've been watching her YouTube videos recently, and she's literally so stunning. Like, imagine waking up and looking like her. Like, can't relate, but I wish I could. I honestly just want to put lashes on and call it a day, but I look so freaking weird with just eyelashes on. Like, I literally look so ugly. I'm literally so ugly. I don't know what the heck I'm gonna do on my eyes today, but I'm basically just going to use the 35O palette and make something up, and like hopefully it turns out good. Does anyone else like kind of enjoy crying? Like, I sort of enjoy crying because, oh my god, I didn't even put any concealer on my eyes. Like, who am I? I like sort of enjoy crying because I kind of feel like it makes my skin feel nice. It makes my skin like feel extremely soft feeling after I get done crying. And I also feel like my lips like grow like 19 sizes. So I'm trying to think of like what I'm gonna title this video, like either get ready with me or me complaining about my life for 35 minutes straight. I seriously like don't know what to do with my eyes. Like, I kind of want to go balls deep and like go with like an orange, but like I'm actually really nervous. I don't know what to do, dude. Like, I'm literally just mixing random colors and like praying to Jesus himself that something looks right. Ooh, I kind of like that color. I'm literally stabbing that eyeshadow into my crease. Random and off topic. I mean, actually this whole entire video is completely off topic, but basically today I was annoyed. And like, I'm not really one to like block people because I like when people hate me, like I literally love for them to see like how amazing my life is. I complain about my life so much, but honestly, like my life is really good. But I'm like not one to, you know, block people because I want people who hate me to see literally how amazing my life is. But today people are just bugging me and I literally blocked like 25 people, I think. Today I've just been annoyed. Like every little tiny thing has just been annoying me. Like the smallest little things, like me not getting my fruit punch. I mean, I feel like that's a logical reason to be annoyed because like, bitch, I feel like anyone would be pissed if they didn't get their freaking high C. Like, it's freaking high C. It's like a drug dealer's gonna be pissed if they didn't get their heroin of the day. Like, I'm gonna be pissed if I didn't get my high C of the day. I'm doing my underneath right now because I don't know what I want to do on my lid right now, so I'm like trying to like figure out. I sort of feel like a gold should like go up here. I really just, what is this makeup look? Like, literally, what is it? I don't know. I'm not joking you. Like, literally, as I'm doing this makeup look, I keep forgetting, like, what colors I use. So I'm kind of just picking random colors. I keep, like, doing this eye with, like, this eye is sort of low-key darker than the other eye. Because I keep picking up the wrong color on the brush. Pretty sure that's what the beauty gurus do. They, like, do it right here. And then I'm going to put a color in the center. So that's what we're doing. So I hope I'm doing it freaking right. I feel like I should have done, like a green. Or, like, a vibrant. Ew, green is literally, that would not look good. But, like, you know what I'm saying? Like a freaking purple or something. Like, okay, we're gonna try and wipe this off because I kind of want to do like a vibrant color. So I really want to do like a vibrant-y color. I'm taking this other orange shade from like this different palette and I'm just like putting more orange because I guess we're going for an orange look today. I feel like a blue would be really, really fun, but like I'm nervous. I feel like I should just fucking be a bad bitch and do it, but like I'm scared. Mama didn't raise no bitch, so I'm going to go in with a really blue shade. Like, look at that. Wow. I mean, I read an article on like BuzzFeed that like orange and blue go together, so frick, I'm having major fallout right now. Shit. I'm like trying to blend it, but like I don't know what to do. Like I sort of feel like I like messed this whole entire look up. Blue, like really Maddie, blue. I mean, like maybe when I put eyelashes on, like it won't be that bad. So basically I'm gonna like turn the camera off and like try and freaking figure out what the heck I just did to my eyes, and then I'll come back. Okay, bye. Okay, so I sort of fixed it. I sort of think so. Basically that blue is freaking ugly. I don't know why I ever decided to do that to myself. And I put some yellow, and you know, blue and yellow makes green, so it's kind of like a green look. I also applied lashes, if you guys are wondering. I'm using Lily Lashes Miami. So we're gonna do my lips now. I don't really know what I want to do. I'm kind of thinking just a solid like nude vibe, whatever. I'm gonna do some nude lips. So since you guys always complain that I'm so pale and there's literally no life to my face, I'm gonna apply some blush. I used to never wear blush, but like recently I've been applying blush because it just makes me look a lot more sweet and innocent. So now, since I have a spray tan on, you can't tell, but I'm gonna apply a gold highlighter because I haven't been able to do that recently because I'm extremely pale. I haven't been able to. Like, you can see, like, it literally is gold, but like on camera it looks freaking white. Honestly, this makeup turned out a lot better than I expected. I wouldn't even have been mad if it did not turn out that well, as long as I didn't cry, and I successfully made it through this YouTube video without crying. That's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Don't forget to turn on my little bell. I'm literally telling you guys so many don't forgets. Like, don't forget to send me money to my PayPal account. I'm just kidding.